Everyone, and welcome back to our discussion of Class 9th NCRT Social Science book, Democratic Politics Chapter 1 Democracy. This is part 3 of the series. If you want to watch the earlier parts, link is given in the description box below. Please click on the link. We will continue our discussion on our features of democracy. This is our second feature now. So our anticipated second feature is free and fair electoral competition. Let us take the example of China again here. China has elections to parliament every 5 years. The parliament appoints the president in turn. But for contesting the elections to parliament, approval of Chinese Communist Party is needed. Can you again identify the problem here? Yes, the right to contest elections of people is restricted. It is restricted upon the approval of Chinese Communist Party. Taking this thing to extreme, what happened in 2002-2003 that members of this Communist Party and its 8 smaller elite parties were only allowed to contest elections. Initially, only the approval of the Chinese Communist Party was needed, but now one has to be a member of it. Only then he or she can contest the elections. Hence, the right to contest elections of people became more restricted. Thus, again, elections did not offer a real choice to people to elect their representatives. So no real choice to choose leaders was given to people. Now let's take up the example of Mexico. What happened in Mexico was Mexico has elections every 6 years for president after its independence in 1930. Opposition did exist but never came to power. Mexico experienced one party rule under PRI, which is Institutional Revolutionary Party till 2002. Till 2000. Can you guess why did this even happen? Why did only PRI win when there was an opposition also to offer an alternative choice in elections? This happened because PRI misuses powers. It used unhealthy strategies to win the votes. Some of these strategies were: first, coercing government school teachers to force parents to vote for PRI. Parents had to do it even if they didn't want to, so that their kids did not face any problem in school. PRI also built a one-sided narrative through media, as under government pressure, it only criticized the opposition, diluting the power of opposition to keep a check on the ruling party. Hence, opposition was not able to win people's faith and trust to win elections. PRI also used the power of money significantly on promoting their candidates in election campaigns. Also, whenever they felt they could not get much votes, they shifted the polling booth at the last minute to make it difficult for the voters to cast their votes, giving a huge blow to the democracy. Hence, you can see a list of problems here. The elections conducted were not fair at all. In practice, people had no real choice to choose. Moreover, ruling party could not be changed even if the people wanted it to, because the people could not voice their real voice through elections. Hence, elections must be free and fair in democracy, giving a real opportunity to people to change the existing leaders. Now we move on to our third feature, that is one person, one vote and one value. This means universal adult franchise. It means that all citizens who are 18 years and above can vote, have the right to vote irrespective of their caste, education, religion, region, color, race, language, economic conditions. Many countries have had long years of struggle to achieve that, including India. As we have studied in our second feature, people need to have real choice and opportunity to change existing rulers. Universal adult franchise means this choice must be available to all on an equal basis, enforcing the principle of political equality. Let us try to understand this with the help of few examples in countries such as Saudi Arabia that denied the right to vote to its women till 2015. Estonia also made it difficult to vote for people belonging to Russian minority by denying them citizenship rights. Moreover, Fiji's electoral system was such that the value of vote of an indigenous Fijian was more than that of an Indian Fijian. Saddam Hussein's rule in Iraq was identified as one man, one vote, meaning he was a dictator. It, he was a dictator in which he had veto power over everything in the country. Thus, in democracy, it must be ensured that each citizen must have the right to vote and value of every vote must be equal. We will stop our discussion of this part 3 here. If you want to watch the next part, that is part 4, please click on the link given in the description box below. If this video was helpful to you, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.